So these are the little Daniel's
Poop.
Daniel pooper. Daniel's minions. I like to call Daniel the slug.
Put it a bit lower.
Not so slow. He was moving at quite a clip a little while ago.
What's that yellow stuff coming out of it?
It could be anything. Slime, spit, poop.
They're coming up through the toilet then maybe because there was pee in there.
No, then that's not pee. It's not why they're yellow. They're yellow because they are slugs. Their whole bodies are urine.
David, stop poking him in the eye.
Look, you got the one eye. Okay. I sleep with one eye open. Yes! I only need one eye to rule your nation!
Stop poking the poor little guy in the eyeball.
Look, he's gonna mount his woman. Yeah, baby. Yes. Is this your butt or your face? Look, I don't mean to insult you, but they're very similar. Do I have eyes in my butt? Hard to tell. Alright, I'm out of here. What's this hole he's got in his side?
Ew, gross.
Is that an injury or is that supposed to be there?
I don't think I can grab that.
I'm reaching.
That's disgusting. Okay, let's go put him outside. He's gonna
no,
fall.
she's got it too. I don't know if she's a she.
Yeah, we just assumed.
Yeah, hang on.
The smaller one. Stop poking him in the eye.
Hang on.
David, that's so
you
mean.
he can see me. You. You bipedal freak.
You can actually see, like, that's why I love snails, because their eyeballs are right on the end of that thing.
Poked himself in the eye. Okay, ready? Look at this.
No, don't, David. That's disgusting. David, that thing might have come out of the toilet.
People eat these.
Don't, David, don't. That's so gross. Okay, I'm turning it off. Say goodbye.
Bang.
Oh.
Bang.
David, that's like doing this to somebody constantly.
Look, if I had eyes that retracted, I'm sure it wouldn't be so bad. Look, you think you'd learn. Now when the white thing comes towards you, retract your eyes. Obviously, they're not very good eyes.
No, that's why he's got the feet.
That's why they rely on detracting to keep them safe, because they can't see well enough.
So what's the point of having them?
They probably see like, oh, it's so weird. You are weird.
He looks like what's that big slug-looking guy in Star Wars?
Jabba. Chewbacca.
Oh, Chewbacca's a bear. He's a bear.
Okay, yeah, sure, he's a bear.
Jabba the Hutt. Okay, say goodbye.
Jabba the slug, Chewbacca the bear.
Bye, slug.